Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to stop fingerprint unlock on the Motorola Moto G87. First you have to go into settings and scroll down to security and privacy, then go into device unlock and face and fingerprint unlock. Here you have to enter your password and select fingerprint. Press on setup, find the sensor, and now touch and lift multiple times, changing the position of your finger slightly each time to register the whole fingerprint. Then we hit done. Now if you lock your phone, you can unlock it. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.